What is going on, my friends? Hank here from Sprues and Brews Scale Modeling with some breaking news from the wonderful world of scale modeling. The good folks over at Tamiya have just announced that they are releasing not one, not two, not three, but 4 148 scale aircraft kits in 2023. Well, sort of. Yesterday, I was scrolling around Instagram and I saw this post from Tamiya Japan and thought to myself, that looks like Tamiya's 2017 Bf-109G-6 kit, and it also looks like their 2003 Kubelwagen set, but I've never explicitly seen Tamiya put them together. So I hopped over to the Tamiya USA site, and sure enough, we're getting some diorama bundles. Tamiya has 4 of these 148 scale bundle packs advertised as coming soon on their site, and I think there's a lot to be excited about here, so let's dive into it a bit. So what Tamiya's doing here is releasing a line of what they're calling cost-effective model kit sets. And these are bundles of pre-existing kits in the Tamiya line in special limited edition packaging and most importantly, offered at a reduced price. Now, before you click away and say, oh, I don't need to watch this, I already know these kits, stick around because there's some parts in a couple of these kits that you're gonna have a really hard time finding anywhere else. First up, we've got the Bf-109 bundle, which I think, believe it or not, is the least exciting option of the 4. And if you stick around until the very end, you'll see why once we get to the last set. This is Tamiya's fantastic Bf-109G-6 kit, number 6117, paired up with their Kubelwagen pilot set, number 32510. Nothing groundbreaking here as far as new inclusions per se, but if you're planning on building a diorama for your 109, like I've done a couple times, there's an opportunity to save some real dough here. At time of recording, you can pick up the original 109 kit, just the aircraft, on Amazon for $44 US. And you can pick up the Kubelwagen for $17, bringing you to a cool $61 US. And if you're planning on making a diorama, that's a lot. Plus, you've got to get the base, all the accessories, etc. Now, the new Tamiya Value Bundle, with all the parts included from both of these kits, is going to go for an MSRP of $44 US. So basically, you're getting the Kubelwagen and the 2 148 scale Luftwaffe pilot figures for free, which is not a bad deal at all. The next set is a bundle of Tamiya's Kawasaki Ki-61 Tony, which is kit number 61115, and their Type 95 light vehicle Kuragani, kit number 32558. Separately, these two fantastic little kits are going to run you $37 for the Tony, and another $23 for the Kuragani and the figures, bringing you right up to $60 US. The new bundle set, however, with all the parts from both kits, is going to go for $43, saving you a whole $17. So if you're looking to build up a little late war Japanese aircraft diorama, you're going to have trouble finding a better deal than that. Now our third bundle is where we start getting real juicy. The main feature here is Tamiya's classic P-51 kit, number 61040, but the exciting part comes with the accessories and the vehicle. The Jeep that comes with this bundle is originally from Tamiya's set 89755, which by itself is pretty tough to come by. This 148 scale Jeep was originally released on its own in 2010 for around $16, but I wasn't able to find it for sale anywhere. And the really exciting part comes with the figures included in this kit. You get 2 pilot figures from Tamiya set 61089, which was this special 2003 reboxing of the P-51 with markings for American aces Chuck Yeager and Bud Anderson. That kit resells for around $100 on eBay, and you're going to have a really tough time finding those 2 figures anywhere else. So, if you wanted to make a diorama right now with the P-51, the Jeep, and these 2 rare figures, it'd run you nearly $150. But, once the new Tamiya bundle comes out, you can do the exact same thing for $36, which is a pretty fantastic deal. And our last kit might just be the most exciting of the 4. Our Kubelwagen is back, that's kit number 32501, and with it, we get the experimental Dornier 335A Pfeil. The original DO335A kit from Tamiya, kit number 61074, was released way back in 2000 and is super hard to find. I was able to find one kit available on eBay for $122, not super accessible. So if you wanted to make a diorama right now with the Kubelwagen, the pilots, and the DO335, it'd run you at least $140. The new bundle, however, is going to cost $46, the most expensive of the 4, but it's also probably the most difficult to get of all the aircraft featured in this new release lineup. So, is this good news from Tamiya, or do you think they're pulling a fast one on us with these reboxed re-releases? Let me know either way in the comments below. If you're somebody that just likes building up aircraft models without figures or diorama, then maybe these aren't for you. But if you like a little bit of storytelling with your aircraft builds, then this is pretty awesome news. So that is all the news from me today. Still no word on an official release date for these kits, but if you'd like to check out the Tamiya site for updates on your own, I will have links in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe right here to Sprues and Brews Scale Modeling for more scale modeling news videos, build tutorials, and more. New videos every week. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers.